Hi Capricorn, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to the first love read for the month of September. Let's see Capricorn how you're feeling, how your person is feeling and what action we can expect in this connection now. And these are general collective readings. Capricorn will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Capricorn and send them the messages they need to hear the most today. Thank you. Alright Capricorn, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here, for supporting the channel. I'm very blessed. And Capricorn, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Somebody is very upset here. Okay. So Capricorn, for me, this is person A, this is going to be person B. If this is your story, of course, you'll recognize yourself. You'll know which side you're on. Action for person A and action for person B. Bottom of my deck, I have the Queen of Swords in the upright. And I start with the King of Swords in reverse here on person A's side. This is going to be a heavy reading, Capricorn. What's going on with you guys? So from person A's side, I don't know, there's anger, there's resentment, but wanting to heal something between the two of you. They don't want to let go either. They don't want to end this chapter with you. But the other person, I think, has made a decision. They've made a choice, they've made a decision, this is over. I'm not interested. This could be this Queen of Swords here. Let's try some dialogue message cards first and let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. Then we clarify these cards. Sorry, my throat chakra suddenly closing up. Capricorn and that person, if they could say something to each other, Spirit. And Capricorn, if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. And let's take a few from here as well, Capricorn. Capricorn and their person, they could say something to each other now. What would that be? Capricorn and their person. Okay, Capricorn, the first card is hitting my eye straight here is saying, this lifetime didn't work out. Hopefully I can do better next lifetime. I've come to realize that I'm not more awakened than you. You are awake too. I want you to trust me. Trust that I will know the right time to take things to another level. I get defensive when I feel like you're getting too close for comfort. So somebody could be a little bit of a control freak here, maybe unemotional, not giving off their emotions, enjoying the connection but not willing maybe to offer commitment. I know I have narcissistic tendencies. I just said that, didn't I? I know I have narcissistic tendencies, but I'm not one. I developed these traits to protect myself. I see you in my dreams, wishing it was a reality. No one else comes close to all the good things you've done for me. Soon I plan on returning, hoping it can work this time. You changed up and that triggers me. Maybe person A was very used to getting their own way all the time, but person B may have put their foot down now. Let's see, or just got their boundaries and barriers up, and that's triggering person A now. So let's start with some angel blessing cards, Capricorn. And let's see what my angels have for you as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Pulled out two here, Capricorn. One is, of course, it's a message for you to take care of your health. And I'm seeing it more as emotional health. You are on a winning streak. Don't worry about that. Victory will be yours if you do the right thing or whatever path you're on. But first and foremost, you're focus should be on your health, emotional health, physical health, before anything else. What this triumphant is going to be, I'm going to check after clarifying these cards. Let's see. Person A, King of Swords spirit in reverse. Why the King of Swords energy in reverse? I think this person's been a bit unemotional, maybe very petty, maybe petty fights. They just didn't want the stress of maybe a commitment. Three of Swords in reverse. Yes, this person wanted to have it light and easy. They didn't want to, then maybe they never fought for this connection, but they just wanted to have a good time. They didn't want any emotions and heartbreak after that. I don't think person A really put in any work or strength into this connection, never invested. And now they're feeling that maybe person B has released them because of all their behavior. So what happened, Spirit, in the recent past for person A to feel this way? Four of Wands in reverse. Well, this person was very passionate, I would say, about person B. They had a lot of goals and dreams, but I don't think they wanted to offer. They liked the attention. They loved the attention person B was giving them, and maybe who else was giving them attention. Their focus was on their business, their work, their travel, their this thing. They never wanted to settle down. As much as they wanted to enjoy the fruits of being together, this King of Wands never offered any stability. No new beginning, not opening up, not being emotional, not offering anything which was stable. Four of Wands in reverse. So 10 of Cups, Spirit. 10 of Cups, what happened? Yes, they just wanted the happiness, and in doing so, I think they played themselves, because they created such a mistrust or some bad memories with person B that I think in trying to control how the situation would go, I think person A kind of played themselves, and now they are feeling quite embarrassed actually about their behavior. They're feeling quite embarrassed about the way they've behaved, and now they do want to end this conflict. Now they're realizing that it's person B who was full of love for them. This is their person who gave them all that love and affection unconditionally. Now they want to return back. Yes, they want to return back. They're feeling very lonely, sad, abandoned, left behind. But how they see this connection, or doesn't seem to be investing anymore with them. They are not putting in any effort. They're not showing them any love anymore. They don't. They may be upset with them, or they're just kind of giving up on this dream of becoming their partner or something. They feel that person B has made their choice now. They're no longer waiting. They feel person B is now healing. And yes, this connection they're feeling is coming to a close. Feeling, but they don't want this to end. The World in reverse. Yeah, they don't want this to end, because they have now recognized what they've lost. They've lost their 10 of Cups, and they're recognizing that this is what gave them the maximum happiness. This was this is the happiest card in the deck, the Sun. They want this back. They want the sunshine to come back into their life. But they are not sure how to. They feel they made some very foolish mistakes, and they do want to heal those mistakes now, but they don't know now how to go back to person B, whether they'll be allowed a reunion or not. So they have a bit of blockage. So let's see, will they make any effort or any action? I'll open later. Capricorn, let's go to the other side. Let's see how person B is feeling. Person B has the 10 of Pentacles in reverse. Why is that, Spirit? 10 of Pentacles in reverse. I don't think person B wanted to end this chapter either. They didn't want to end this chapter. In fact, they were looking forward to something very stable with person A. But since this offer never came, this stability offer never came, person B has had no choice but to say, I can't carry all the load in this connection. I'm the only one. I'm tired. I'm dropping this. If you're not going to be my equal partner and carry 5 of my wands, what's the point? Two of Wands in reverse. How does person B feel? Yeah, they feel this connection was becoming toxic in their life, and if the Tower has fallen, then let it fall. I've made my choice. I've made my decision. I don't want to. They feel person A has taken too long. Like they've really delayed clarifying anything, communicating with them, or clearing the air. Too much time has gone by, and now they feel this Tower is, fallen apart. It's become too toxic, and I think person B is making a decision now of dropping them. So what happened, Spirit, in the recent past for person B to be feeling this way? The Devil again. What's this Devil, Spirit? Whatever happened here, could be some addictions, could be some fights, could be some anger issues. Maybe person A was never emotionally happy, or maybe may have broken some promises. Person B felt compelled then to just walk away from the connection. Three of Cups in reverse. Yes, they feel like what's the point of reconciling or going back with them, that when there's always going to be trouble, there's always going to be injustice, there is no happiness, there's no celebration, there is no offer of commitment. Then if that is the case, then I don't want to go back to a person like this. So how does person B now feel about this connection, Spirit, or about person A? Nine of Wands in reverse. I think person B is not even fighting for the connection anymore. They have given up. Yes, I think they have the world in their hands. They're making some plans now to see, okay, now what should I work on? Where should I go? What should I do? They're trying to listen to their intuition now, which is telling them, I think it's time to stop fighting for this connection. This connection, person B feels this connection is very imbalanced. They don't trust person A anymore. They've always felt depressed. There is no action here, and it makes them always feel upset, angry, suspicious, not being able to trust their partner. So person B's intuition tells them that it's time now to put your boundaries up and protect yourself. So let's see what action person A will take now. I'm going to take another deck for that. Okay. So what action, Spirit, will person A take towards person B, if any? And before I open this card, may I request you, if you're still here, to click that thumbs up button, please. Give me a second. Something happened to my throat suddenly. Give me a second. I need a sip of water. Sorry, Capricorn, I'm back. Like I was saying, if this is resonating with you, if you would just hit that like button, it would help me to know how many I'm resonating with, and also it helps the videos to circulate and reach many more, I have heard. That would be very kind of you. And newbies, if you are still here, do subscribe and like the channel, so I see you again on Friday. So person A's action is that they're making a decision. They are making one choice. They don't want to be in no man's land, or with their eyes closed. Their blindfold is coming off. Why is that an action, Spirit? Why is that an action? They're ready to invest. They are ready to invest because they've been very, very sad. They've been very stressed out. They feel, what a waste of time, energy, effort. If I don't make a choice now, I'm going to lose my person. Yes, they are coming in with an offer. The Ten of Pentacles. They want this Ten of Pentacles, the one that person B has now given up on. So now person A wants to make that decision. They want the Ten of Pentacles. They now know what it feels like to feel rejected and left behind. This person has been in their head, thinking, overthinking, planning of how to put back into this connection to make it work. I think the plan that they're making is to offer something very, very stable for the long haul now. So person B, will you make any effort? The Tower. Why is that an action from person B's end? Why is the Tower an action? One more. Queen of Cups, Page of Pentacles, and the Knight of Cups. I think person B is going to be in for a bit of a shock when this person comes back. Six of Cups, bottom of the deck. This story has been going on for so long, maybe in your life, that it's been so slow in coming that I don't think person B will be even expecting this to happen. When this person comes back with this offer, it's going to shock the living daylights out of person B. This offer is coming full of love, the Knight of Cups. This is going to be the first time, maybe an emotional offer, whereas this person has always been in their head till now. And that is going to open up person B, Queen of Cups. So person B, that was what the Triumphant was all about. I told you we'll figure it out what's coming. So yes, there's victory at the end of a very, very slow road. So meanwhile, take care of your health, start exercising, go to the parlor, do whatever you have to, because somebody is going to be coming in soon with their mind made up this time. So that's all I have for you, Capricorn. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.